Hello! Where are we?
Country camp.
Country camp. So we are back here.
Again.
Again, for the third time here in country camp. So mag-glamping tayo. How is glamping in country camp?
Are we going
So-
to be in the dome?
Yeah, itutour namin kayo sa kanilang mga tents and domes. There you go, country camp.
Man, give me my camp.
Ayun. Ayun, doon, maraming tents.
Okay,
There you go.
it's right 18.
Ba't ba lagi tayong nandito?
Then take my camera and go to.
Wala lang, maganda lang.
Tabi ng lake.
I'm just going to
Glamping.
the cave. The door.
Okay, ayan na yung mga tents nila.
Mommy, I'm going
May
to be
promotion
in the
sila ngayon, ngayong October. So, nakuha namin ang dome ng 899 baht, which is sometime regular is 1,600 baht. And this tent, they said, for the promotion is like 700 baht. 700 baht. Okay. Doon tayo sa Dome 3. So, i-park natin sa tapat ng Dome 3. Here.
You check out
Dome 5
already?
na to.
You check in already?
Here.
You check in already?
Okay.
Not yet.
Yan ka. Okay. Yan.
The park.
And ayun yung kanilang,
What do they have in Turkey?
This is our third time. May magtatanong tayo ng mga camping sites dito kung para sa malamig na panahon ay makapag-camping naman tayo. Hello! Look at this beautiful
And buffalo.
beautiful sight of the buffaloes who wants to go swimming. Look at those. Yeah, this is very rare scene. And my oh.
Why are they not going away? Why are they not?
Okay, let's go and check in.
They're not wild.
So this is their restaurant
Baby was running.
and that's their cafe. Oh, look, they're good in swimming. Look ate, oh, look. Oh, see?
What? Where are they going?
They can swim well.
Where are they going?
The other side.
Can't they just go here? Bro. Wow.
Nawala na yung may bridge, daddy.
What bridge? There's no bridge.
Alam, may picture pa kayo dati dito. Na may bridge. Oh, ang galing. Nasaan na yung baby buffalo? Kaya?
Ay, umpos.
Ay, kayang mag-swim. Kaya mag-swim ng baby buffalo?
Nandun na, mga baby buffalo.
Ayun pa oh, may nahuling dalawa. 3.
Kahit umpos.
Oh, galing. Look, ang galing mag-swim, oh. Wow.
Ay, yun
Kalma.
ang mga maliliit, oh.
Oo nga.
Welcome! Oh,
I found the dog alive. I'm telling you, but you right one. I found three dogs. One is the spotted one.
hello.
So this is the dome. Where's ours?
Number 3. Number 1. And this one is number 2.
Those three.
Huh? Dome 3, mommy.
No, those three.
This one? Di here one tayo.
I think tinanggal nila yung ibang dome.
Yan nga.
Open. Dito na.
Yes. Of course. Up. Mami? This one?
It's mine.
Hey, Nana. Ate, your bag.
Wow.
This is gadget time. And you know, this is where we do the gadget time.
Oh,
Oh.
internet, man.
This one, the dome here,
Still nice.
the bed.
Look. May ganito na, oh.
Hmm.
Pagdikit.
Oh. Pagod ah.
Hi.
Hello. Glamping.
Presyohan mo nga yung mga domes.
Yes man ka?
Oo.
5,000. No, original price niya daw it's 1. Ano ba to?
1.
1.4, 1.6.
Ito, dome 3, 4, 5, 6, at 7. Wala nang 8. Hanggang 7 lang.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ayun. May promotion ngayon, 899. Kaso, may kasama kaming bata.
Kaya nagdagdag.
So, nagdagdag kami ng 300. So, naging 1,200 din. Pero okay lang. Tapos mamaya, magmukrata tayo. Ayan. Hanggang dun. And then, they also have tents. Ito, dito tayo lumiko. Ayan. Kung makita niyo yung mga tents, ayan ang tent. Sayang, maganda sana pala yung Dome 7. Yun lang sana ang naano ko, Dome 7. Ayan, look at that. Ang daming tents. Hanggang dun. Ito mas mura. And then, capacity niya lang ay 2. So, pag gusto nyo ng 2, kayong magka-friend. So, ito ang inyong tent. Ayan. And then, you can have happy time dito sa labas. Ayan. Tapos, ayun. Very nice. Okay. May pathway silang maganda din going to the tents. Ayan. Very nice naman siya. So, mamaya magmukrata kami at magplay ng volleyball. Ayan. See? So greenish this time. Masarap maglaro. Ayan. Kind of pricey, pero okay naman siya. Maganda siya inside. Pasukin natin itong dome namin. Ito ang toilet niya, nakadikit lang. Pasukin natin. Hello! Tapos yung isa, oh grabe ang relaxation Ayan, may patay-unan sila. Ito, Thai silk na unan. Tapos ayan si Faye, grabe ang relax. Let's play volleyball. Ma, it's not raining anymore. Let's go, ate. Let's play volleyball. Ayan, may aircon sila, may pa-aircon, may pa-initan ng tubig, at may pa-hair dryer, may pa-tissue, at may pa-TV. Yay.
Go into the water.
No, it's okay. Let's go. Let's go, ate. Later you can do that. Pa, let's play volleyball.
But look at this gun.
are you going to say? Ate,
No, it's like arigato.
not arigato.
No.
Ay, thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
Say sorry. Diba kiss? O, dali.
Oh.
No, Mom will take video.
Sorry.
Ah.
Ano yun? Ganyan. Sorry.
Go up. Let's go up. Tree house. Just a tree. With a bubong.
3 snails.
Let's go, ate. Ayan ang view. Wow, nice view. Look at that. Oh, kapaw! Here's the view of everything. First time ko makapunta dito.
Huh?
3 times na tayong napunta dito. Parang first time ko umakyat dito.
May swing tayo.
Oh, come here, anak.
May swing.
Ayan, ang daming dumadating na magka-camping. Glamping.